World Elephant Day Conservation. E. coli bacteria into a mercury sensor. Conservation. NAEGLERIA FOWLERI biology. Gene that keeps rice from breaking during milling. Biotechnology. Dibru-Saikhowa National Park. Environment and ecology. Black Panther. Environment and ecology. The THATTEKKAD bird sanctuary. Geography. Agni 5 ballistic missile technology. DNA fingerprinting. Biotechnology. International Solar Alliance. International. Inject venom after death. Ecology. World Elephant Day is internationally celebrated on August 12, dedicated to preservation and protection of world elephant. Now, the goal of World Elephant Day is to create awareness of the urgent plight of African and Asian elephants. Here, the African elephants are listed as vulnerable, and Asian elephants are as endangered on IUCN Red List of threatened species. E. coli bacteria into a mercury sensor. It is a bioelectronic device which is genetically engineered bacteria gets turned into self-powered chemical sensors that interferes directly with electronics, and this interference with electronics gives a signal. Now they built a modular biosensor that could sense the presence of kind of specific compounds and then convert that into an electrical signal which is compatible with low cost electronics to capture the signals. Now this system generates output of phenagines, nitrogen containing organic molecules that can be measured using electrochemical technique called voltammetry. NAEGLERIA fowleri is known as the brain-eating amoeba, a species of genus NAEGLERIA. No, the thing is, it is a free-living microorganism which feeds on bacteria but can become pathogenic in humans. It causes an extreme rare, sudden, severe and almost fatal brain infection known as primary amoebic meningoencephalitis, also known as naegleriosis, and it is found in warm freshwater bodies such as lakes and rivers. Here scientists find gene that keeps rice from breaking during milling process. Now here grain chalkiness reduces the recovery of commercial acceptability of the grain, or it downgrades the quality of the grain. So chalkiness in rice varieties is influenced by many genes or environmental factors like high temperature, nutrient availability. So researchers find this gene that is named chalk9, and they found controls chalkiness in many rice varieties through this gene. Eastern Assam's Dibru-Saikhowa National Park is the only habitat for feral horses in India. Black panther is a melanistic color variant of leopard and the jaguar. Black panther of the both species have excess black pigments. Thattekad bird sanctuary was first bird sanctuary in Kerala. Forests surround the Periyar river and the longest river in Kerala. India successfully test fires Agni-5 ballistic missile. An Agni-5 is a land-based nuclear capable intermediate range ballistic missile developed by DRDO of India. DNA fingerprinting, also known as DNA profiling, is a technique used to identify individuals by analyzing unique patterns in their DNA. It's a power tool in forensics used to solve crimes or establish paternity and identify individuals. International Solar Alliance is a collaborative initiative between India and France aimed at uniting efforts to combat climate change by implementing solar energy solutions. It was conceptualized on sidelines of COP21 in Paris 2015. Inject venom after death. So it is a kind of observation where Assam study finds cobra crate can inject venom after death. So that is envenoming has largely been reported in the cases of rattlesnakes, copperheads, spitting cobras, and the Australian red-billed black snakes.